The amount of little girls that are coming to watch us play and like they're asking for autographs, they're asking for selfies, and it's just crazy. The women's first team are thriving at the moment and it's only going to keep getting better. So if we can do what we can do at this level, hopefully it will inspire a generation.
Cae Ras, mae'n gyfnod eithriadol o gyffrous i glwb pêl-droed Wrecsam. A thra bod tîm y dynion yn denu sylw am resymau amlwg, mae yna digon o uchelgais yn perthyn I tîm y merched hefyd.
It's so exciting to be part of Wrexham Football Club at the moment, certainly from our women's side of the club as well. You know, a lot of the focus at the moment is on the men's side, but you know, we felt the knock-on effect from that as well. We've got Rob and Ryan getting in touch with us on social media, promoting our games, promoting our results, and Rob obviously came to visit us a couple of weeks ago to watch a league game here, which was absolutely fantastic.
I've never felt so sick before a match before. Very nervous, like we said. I'm a fan as well, so knowing he was here and watching, I thought, we can't lose this. And it was a big game, but we came out with the result for him, and I'm happy we did, to a way of showing thanks for what him and Ryan have done for us as well. I had a quick chat with him after the game. He also invited a few of us up to his box on a Tuesday for the men's game, so we spoke more there, and you know, just him saying congratulations and him recognising, he said, where in Wrexham are you from? And I'm thinking, if I reply, are you really going to know? And he knew straight away.
I live in the area, I've grown up in the area, so to have someone you know, like that to come and even visit the community here was fantastic. But being here for us, for a women's section, to come and watch our game was absolutely incredible, and you know, we're so grateful to him to come in to watch us in the first place.
We've had a really good start to the season. There's a good vibe going about the team, and it's showing in our results, and it's really exciting season ahead. We've got high expectation for ourselves.
What are these girls like to lead out?
They're a great bunch of girls, obviously a big age range within there, people coming from different clubs previously, but everyone's got the same mentality, the winning mentality, and everyone takes everything serious. And they're great to lead, and there's people there that help me as well. It's not just all on me, people take on other leadership roles as well.
You could be the best player in the world, but if the attitude's not right, the willingness to learn isn't right, how they integrate with the team, the staff, the club, if that's not right, then you know, they're not a right fit for our club.
We want to win the league and get promoted and play in the Adjon Premier next year. We've shown last week that we can compete against a team in that league. For us, it's realistic that we can compete there, and we've got a really good chance this year to make it to that level next year.
We want to be playing Champions League football. That's an absolute dream for a Wrexham side, to be playing back in Europe again, because it's what the men's team did it many years ago. We want a women's team to be doing exactly the same thing, and why not?
The amount of little girls that are coming to watch us play and like they're asking for autographs, they're asking for selfies, and it's just crazy because I just feel like I'm a normal person. I really feel like we're inspiring the younger girls in the Wrexham area, and it's a really positive thing. It's just going to help Welsh female football go up and up and up.
Can I ask you then as well about the Racecourse? Can you see yourselves playing there at all?
Yes is the answer to that. It's something we speak to the club very regularly about. We did have a game on there last season as a friendly game, which was absolutely fantastic, and we want more of that.
I can only imagine what it'd be like to play on the Racecourse, and we as a team would absolutely love to have the opportunity to do so at some point this year, and hopefully get a few more people come to watch our game, and that it'd be a special occasion. Hopefully, if that did happen, it'd be put on a really good performance in such a historical, special place.